Have you ever wondered what sets certain types of steel apart from the rest? Well, let me introduce you to 8620 steel, also known as 8620 alloy steel. At Advanced Grinding, we specialize in precision ground 8620 round bars, and we're here to give you the lowdown on what it is and what it's used for. First, let's talk about the process of creating these precision ground bars. At Advanced Grinding, we use centerless grinding to achieve the perfect finish and diameter for our 8620 steel round bars. So, what exactly are these bars used for? Well, 8620 steel is commonly used in the construction industry for parts that require both strength and flexibility. It's also a popular choice in the automotive industry, where it's used for gears, crankshafts, and other critical components. The benefits of using 8620 steel include its excellent toughness and wear resistance, making it a reliable choice for a variety of applications. So, whether you're in construction or